AIM Command Pro is the next evolution of blended pulse application systems on Case IH Patriot sprayers. AIM Command Pro offers all the same features that AIM Command did and offers some additional features as well. AIM Command gained a good foothold in the industry by providing operators with consistent pressure at varying speeds, consistent droplet size for better coverage, consistent rates at varying pressures, a wide range of rates through the same nozzle. AIM Command Pro also adds additional features: turn compensation, overlap control, nozzle valve diagnostics, 4 boom presets, and a key fob all make AIM Command Pro heads above the competition. Let's learn a little bit more about some of these key selling features of this revolutionary technology. We can customize the amount of overlap that we want based on crop, the chemical applied, or based on operator preference. This overlap is then calculated for each nozzle, so as we spray through the field, regardless of the situation, whether it be spraying along a point row, spraying around obstacles, or just taking off out of the headlands, AIM Command Pro's individual nozzle shutoff will give us greater accuracy than any other application system from an OEM manufacturer. This individual nozzle control is one of the primary selling features of AIM Command Pro. It's a very visual display that you can see in the field, and most customers will gain an immediate understanding of how beneficial this is to their operation. In addition to turning nozzles on and off, AIM Command Pro offers another benefit to any producer by utilizing turn compensation. Anytime a machine turns, one end of the boom will speed up, and depending on boom size, the other end will slow down and in some cases stop and go backwards. This causes 2 big problems. One, we have the potential to dramatically under-apply on the outside of the boom, which promotes pests that develop a resistance to whatever chemical is being used. And 2, we have the potential to dramatically over-apply on the inside of the boom, which creates an opportunity to not kill only the target pest, but valuable crop as well. The only part of the boom that has a potential for correct application is the center point of the boom. AIM Command Pro provides the solution for these instances where quality application is very difficult. By varying the duty cycle across the boom, AIM Command Pro provides the solution. For those applicators that have to spray around telephone poles, power poles, trees, fences, etc., the benefit here will be immediately apparent. These operators are used to seeing a pie-shaped pattern working out from any of these obstacles that they spray around, with dead crop at the point, good coverage in the middle, and increased weed pressure on the outside. As we see this machine approach a corner, we'll freeze frame the shot for you to make it apparently clear. As the machine turns, you'll notice that AIM Command Pro takes care of the over application and the under application. We see there's no puddling, there's no ponding, and as the machine pulls out, we see that the pavement gets darker exactly where the application needs to be, showing consistent quality application. Once the boom leaves the as-applied area, you'll see the entire machine turns back on and applies like normal. The benefit of turn compensation on the boom may not be realized until fall when the combine runs through the field. The consistent application provides a consistent kill and leaves a more uniform crop, making it easier to harvest a more quality grain. Boom presets allow you to change the characteristics of the boom at the push of a button. The 4 boom presets allow you to customize the machine for the field conditions without costing you time. For example, let's say we have boom preset 1 set up as a flat rate across the whole boom, and you pull into a field and realize it's especially dusty today. The dust coming off the wheels can cause some of the chemical coming out of the boom to not make it to the ground. You have the ability to make boom preset number 2 the same flat rate across the rest of the boom, and then take the 2 or 3 nozzles behind each wheel and put more product out of those nozzles alone. In the past, this meant carrying a supply of nozzles and getting out and changing them. The time savings here is huge. Another example of a custom boom that any applicator can identify with would be pulling into a field midsummer and realize that after a rainstorm there is significant weed pressure around the edges of a field. By creating a custom boom preset that has the outer few nozzles of the boom at a higher flow rate than the rest of the boom, we can attempt to tame some of these weeds that have encroached from the outside of the field. The different possibilities are numerous, and every operator can customize their presets to fit the way that they apply. All the outstanding operational features of AIM Command Pro are outstanding as long as they are working. AIM Command Pro offers a variety of simple on-screen diagnostics. Nozzle valve diagnostics functions simply by checking each individual nozzle and make sure that the solenoid is functioning correctly. That is to say, the nozzle is not stuck open or shut. Keep in mind, this will not indicate a plug tip, but it will indicate whether or not the coil attached is working correctly. This saves time and allows application quality to stay at a paramount. It is inevitable that a nozzle will fail or a tip will get plugged, or during normal operation it will be time to calibrate the system, and rather than running up and down the ladder and spraying half a tank of product out and being soaking wet, wouldn't it be nice to have some sort of remote to just turn on the nozzle that you need? AIM Command Pro comes standard with a key fob that allows anyone to go to the back of the machine, turn on a section or a nozzle at a time, and either calibrate the machine or diagnose a problem that may exist. This makes cleaning tips a simple, quick, and most importantly, a clean job. The best part is, this key fob is included with every machine ordered with AIM Command Pro. Another nice feature is, for operators running multiple machines, they only need one key fob, as these are universal and will work on any machine. Now that we've talked about all these outstanding features of AIM Command Pro, let's see them in real life in the field. Application technology has come a long way over the years, and the systems we have today make our applicators more accurate and more accountable. With increasing attention being put on chemicals that we use in agriculture and the methods in which they are applied, technology like AIM Command Pro has the potential to not only maximize the investment on a machine and on the chemical being applied, but also provide a producer of today an opportunity to become a better steward of the land than their forefathers. As the demand for production increases with the growth in population, technology that allows higher efficiency and productivity out of today's producers is going to be the solution. AIM Command Pro can be that solution. Case IH is providing today's producers with technology to get them into the future. Sell the Case IH advantage, sell AIM Command Pro.